I know we have a lot to get into today, so let's jump right in. You've had an extensive career in global health policy, working with institutions such as the CDC and the Guttmacher Institute. What really drew you to this field, and how has your experience shaped your approach to advocacy and policy development?
Yeah, it's a great question. So everything about my career has been a wonderful surprise. Each new chapter is one I could never have anticipated or guessed. The short version is that my dad and his whole family are doctors, and my mom and her whole family are in business. And I saw really clearly how different their work was, the challenges they face, and that they kind of spoke different work languages. And so even as a kid, I kind of ended up translating between them or thinking about things from different perspectives. So after getting an undergrad degree in political science from Brown, I decided to get a couple master's degrees, one in public health and one in public policy. And I did that because public health people know how to design and implement good programs. They understand evidence and research, but they generally have no idea how the government works, and they don't know how to get their good ideas funded or scaled up. And on the other hand, public policy, they're the inverse. They don't know the details of any particular area really, but they know the mechanics of government. They know how to operate and get things through the system. So I wanted to learn those two languages and be that bridge, taking science-based ideas and turning them into effective policy. And so later on, I got a doctorate that was focused on public health leadership and management, as well as an MBA. All of this with the goal of being a more effective collaborator and better understanding how different types of people and different types of organizations operate. So this bridging between groups and interests is really what I did for my 15-year career in public health. And it's also now what I do in the climate space. So I really love any job that has essentially three ingredients. So first is smart, passionate scientists. The second is a wicked policy problem. And then the third is the need to translate science into action to solve that policy